Walls will be coming down tomorrow. The rest of the ceiling tiles come down. I'm not gonna take the lights down just yet. I don't wanna work in the dark.
They had a light fixture there too.
Yeah, old light fixtures everywhere, old knob and tube wiring everywhere. But there should be a clear picture in the morning, all of them here to the back. Yeah, part of it down. Well, she changed her mind by finding this ceiling here. She's gonna put her library here now. Gonna need some work. It's just beautiful.
I can see it.
I can see it. Let's see if we can replicate that of some sort. It's pretty. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all take care.